you doing? Dominica.
Hot.
That's not hot, honey.
Hot.
It's cold.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Dominic, what are you doing?
Oh, Thomas.
Do you want to watch Thomas?
No,
You know they're watching Thomas. Would you like to watch it?
no, What's a Hannah Marco?
Okay. You wash your hand from the marker? Do you like to clean, Dominic? Are you cleaning the sink? Yeah, you're a good boy. Are you Mommy's cleaner? Dominic, are you going to be Mama's cleaner? Mommy could fire the cleaning ladies, and then you could become the cleaning lady.
Wow.
You want to be a cleaning lady?
No.
No? Okay, that's enough, sweetheart.
No, Basaki.
Dominic, say hello.
Hello.
Say, I love you.